Get ready for this. It's October, what is it? 11th. It's October 11th. And take a look at this. Pretty neat. Yeah, let me get it clear. Yeah, there's some lightning. Woo. Totally terrible, man. Daddy says it's gonna be a big storm, which will, cause that one over there was a tiny wee storm too. We'll get it a bit clear here. This is blurry here. Let's get it clear. Of course. Yeah, that's nice. There we go. See that? So it's gonna be the same thing, except that's gonna probably be more severe. We'll keep you updated. Just look, folks. There was a big lightning there just a second ago. Hopefully it'll come back. It was a beaut. Hope you see it. I'd love you to see it. I haven't really got too many good lightnings on this tape, on this video camera ever since December. No, I don't mention away because I'll probably miss it. That would be neat to get a close-up. I wish I had the camera over here a minute ago. Oh, that's okay. See, it's coming closer, dudes. Is that lightning? Whoa. There's a bit of clearage down there. Whoa, oh, I hope you saw that. Good, I'm glad you saw it. Did you hear the thunder too? Well, maybe not. I never. Oh, I got a bolt! Stay tuned for thunder. Did you love that one, folks? I did. Now I want to get a close-up of it, of one. This is neat, huh, folks? Who thought I'd be here on October 11th with my camera? Tomorrow's Remembrance Day. I guess this is God's way to say thank you for being nice to the nice people. Well, I don't know about that. I got a giganto bolt, Christine. I want another one, folks. Give me another boat. This is hard on the neck, but I'm doing it for the TV. Oh, it's far away. I've never seen that many lightning bolts in a row. So, it's a pretty bad storm. Let's hope we get another one. Whoa! I got another one. Oh, did you see the bolt? It flashed? Oh, I didn't think we would be able to see that. It's pretty far. Nature is neat. Sorry about that laugh. It was a very stupid laugh. But I guess I'm just sad because I never got the bolt. I never got the three bolts. No. This is Storm Watch. We will now go to a Thanksgiving special. But if the storm gets worse and it's a severe one over us, we'll have a little update. Thank you. Love that lightning, huh?